ChatGPT just hit 800 million weekly users. That's bigger than Europe's entire population. But here's the twist. The number isn't even the crazy part. It's what OpenAI just announced at DevDay 2025. Because this one update could completely change how developers build apps and how we all use AI.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. I wish I knew.
Alright, let's talk numbers. OpenAI just confirmed ChatGPT has 800 million weekly active users. Just a month ago, 700 million. That's 100 million new users in 30 days. To put it in perspective, TikTok and Instagram took years to get this big. ChatGPT did it in weeks, and people aren't just testing it out anymore. They are using ChatGPT to study, work, build businesses, make money. It's a daily digital habit for millions. And here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just about chat anymore. ChatGPT has been used by students to study and write papers, developers to debug code, marketers to create campaigns, writers to build writers' block, even doctors to research medical cases. It's not a tool. It's becoming infrastructure. Like how you don't use Google, you just search. ChatGPT is heading that way, and that's exactly why OpenAI made this next move. So, what's the big announcement? At DevDay 2025, OpenAI launched the Apps SDK. Here's what it means. Developers can now build apps inside ChatGPT and sell them. ChatGPT just became a platform. Think of it like this. Before ChatGPT was a calculator. Now it's becoming an operating system. Imagine a custom diet coach that maybe reads your food log. Someone can build that inside ChatGPT now. A code reviewer that understands your project, that's coming too. And OpenAI handles payments, hosting, distribution. Developers just build. Alright, let me give you a real world example. Right now, if you want a meal planning app, you download it separately. If you want a language tutor, that's another app. Productivity tracker, another one. Each one has its own login, interface, and subscription. But imagine this, all of those inside ChatGPT. One login, one interface, one place. And because ChatGPT already knows your preferences, your writing style, your habits, apps can be way smarter than anything standalone. That's the promise here. This is the App Store moment for AI. Remember when iPhone launched their App Store in 2008? That's when it went from cool gadget to everyday necessity. This is that exact moment, but for AI. Talk about why this matters. For regular users, ChatGPT is about to get way more powerful. Instead of bouncing between 10 different websites, you will have custom tools right inside ChatGPT, health tracking, financial planning, all under one roof. For developers, you have got 800 million potential users. You don't worry about marketing, hosting, or billing. OpenAI handles that. This is a new economy forming inside ChatGPT. And here's the money angle. Some developers are already talking about building subscription apps inside ChatGPT, one-time paid tools, freemium models. OpenAI gets a cut obviously. But even with that, the potential reach is massive. I mean, think about it. You build something useful, 800 million people could discover it, and OpenAI handles everything technical. For solo developers and small teams, this is absolutely game-changing. For the AI industry, it's a power shift. OpenAI isn't just building tools anymore. It's building an ecosystem, and that puts pressure on everyone else. Google, Anthropic, Meta. The platform wars have begun officially. And let's be real for a second. With OpenAI controlling both the platform and the payments, some devs are asking, how much will we actually earn? Revenue sharing details are still vague. And then there's another question. What happens to existing tools? Like if someone builds an app for ChatGPT for legal advice and then OpenAI releases their own legal assistant, does the third-party app just die? We have seen this before with Apple. They let developers test ideas and then they build it on iOS. Some people are calling this the platform risk. Build on OpenAI's platform and you are at OpenAI's mercy. And then there's privacy. If third-party apps run inside ChatGPT, who gets access to your data? Also, competition. Google's Gemini, Anthropic's Claude. They are not gonna watch quietly. The next 6 months are going to be wild. But one thing's clear. OpenAI just moved first and it moved big. ChatGPT didn't just cross 800 million users. It turned into an AI operating system. Yes, that's right. This is the biggest shift in AI since ChatGPT launched. We are about to see thousands of apps built inside ChatGPT. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. I break down AI news, tools and concepts every week so you understand what's going on. Please do drop a comment. Are you excited about ChatGPT apps or worried about OpenAI becoming too powerful? I am Prady and this is Prady AI, where AI actually makes sense. Bye bye.